कृष्णा माता जी। आज मैंने अपने गुरुकुल में नई पोयम सीखी, आपको सुनाऊं?
हाँ प्लीज सुनाइए।
सुनो। मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे chant Hare Krishna every day. Monday Tuesday Wednesday serve the Lord throughout the day. Thursday Friday Saturday sing His glories, dance and play. Thursday Friday Saturday read the Krishna books every day. Sunday is a holiday with the bhajans, fun and play. Very, very jolly